lovelies and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and today's video is sort of a nail hack, I guess. Sort of, yeah. Um, so if you remember, I done the wackier, I think I'm pronouncing that right, the dip system, and on one of my nails as an accent I done a sugar nail. Well, technically a sugar nail, sort of. Didn't really go to plan, in my opinion. So I just got to thinking, what if I just done that method, but instead of using the powder, just use the glitter? Because essentially, the base is just glue. And then Activator is like an adhesive that just hardens the glue quicker. And I just thought, let's give it a go. So I am using my peel-off base coat method, where I use my favourite peel-off base coat that you can get on Amazon, by the way, for $2.99. And I love this peel-off base coat, it's amazing. I think it would work great with, well, if it works great with my tips, it'll work great with like peelies for like nail polish and stuff, and nail gel polish. So I'm just showing you quickly how I am going to dip my nail. I just pour the glitter into the little dip bowl that I had with one of my dip kits. I think it was the Activator. I can't pronounce the name. I'm so sorry. I'm so bad at pronouncing the names. So I'm just using the base to glue on my tips. So it's pretty simple. Just put some glue in the well of the tip where it would meet your nail bed, push down, apply pressure, and hold for 10 to 15 seconds, and then your nail is glued on. I do show you in the video just so you've got an idea of, I'm pretty sure everyone can glue on nail tips, so let's be honest. It's not that hard to do, guys. It's really simple. But yeah, I show you 2 nails, I think, or maybe 3. I think it's 2. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So the glitter, I done like a rose pinky gold on my thumb and pinky. I done that white glitter from the dip powder set that I done from Amazon, and then my middle finger is a dark fuchsia pink. I wish I'd done more of that dark fuchsia pink colour, because it is very, very pretty. So I'm just filing off the natural shine. You should do this with all nail enhancements, because it helps the products and stuff to stick better, because it can stick into the grooves. So I'm just showing you quickly how to do that. But yeah, this hack does work, I guess. You don't get much of an apex because it's glitter and glue. So yeah, but like I've put it on full cover tips, so it has given the nail strength, but it's because of the glue. It's not because of the glitter. The glitter's not going to give it strength, but that's the nails now. They're still on at the moment. So, you know, that's not too bad. But you do have to be careful, because this glue, like, glitter sticks to everything as it is. So imagine when the glue touches it, it's just like pop. But yeah, I just applied exactly like I do a dip method, which is great. It took me 20 minutes, I think, to do I think I do 2 coats on each. I think I do 3 on the white. The white is not the best, but yeah. So I used the Azura. I'm so bad. I have dyslexia, by the way, guys, so I'm terrible at pronouncing names and companies and words. I do try to avoid the dyslexia thing, but it's with me for life, so might as well just embrace it. But what was I saying? Oh yes, I used the Azira, whatever it's called, the dip system. I only used the base and the activator. The craft glitter I actually got from B&M. I've said in a past video, I bought 50 tubs of glitter for like £4. I should have bought them all out of stock. But you can use any craft glitter. You can use cosmetic glitter as well. That would probably work out better, because I think cosmetic glitter is a lot more finer and not so like pokey sharp, I guess, because craft glitter is cheaper, obviously. But yeah, I just do 2 coats, like I said, on the 3 pink ones, and then I do 3 coats of the white. A bit of the fuchsia pink on my middle finger does get on my ring finger, the white one, but it kind of gives it a weird like effect, so it's, you know. But yeah, by the way, wipe your brush in between coats, otherwise you're just going to have a brush full of glitter. And I do use one of my brushes to brush off the excess, which in turn then sticks glitter into my brush. So I should have thought it through and used an old brush, but I didn't. as you can see. And if you do get any of the glitter and a little bit of like base, which is the nail glue, on your skin, you can just use a bit of acetone on a cotton pad, guys, and just wipe it off gently with your well, off your skin, because yeah, 100% acetone will melt nail glue, so that's great. So yeah, guys, just watch what I do. I file the sides a little bit and I buff a little bit on the top so they're not so hard and bumpy. I don't use a top coat or anything like that because they glitter and I didn't want to dull the glitter. But yeah, guys, I enjoyed doing this. It was really quick and it was really fun and it was a nice little hack. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and keep on smiling. Bye, guys.
begin to